How to become a crypto trader. Step 1. Get a proper education.
Yeah, let's do it.
Step 2. Find money.
God bless Satoshi.
Step 3. Start getting rich.
Okay, what's next? Yeah, orange, my favorite.
Step 4. Share success with your loved ones.
Dustin, dinner's ready.
I'm busy, Mom.
Wow, is this real money? Bob, quick, we're gonna be rich.
Can we buy a new TV right now?
Step 5. Enjoy your life.
Warning. Lost money. Warning. Lost money.
Step 6. Be ready for bad times.
Nakatomi.
It's Nakamoto, Dad.
Okay, Sasushi. You owe me a new TV.
You better go to college, crypto trader.
USDX wallet. Save cups, walls, family. Save money.